Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 12 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to change this look. Now we're gonna continue working on this. I just want to fix this part first. So select that or select this and then click attach top base and then select the roof. So now everything is lining up. So we're good with that. I'm also going to change this to consistent color so that at least we know whatever we're doing. And also to prepare for the next video where we're going to set up all the materials. For now, let's go to our south elevation, and then here we could just move this one for now like that so that it's not in the way, and we're going to do a model in place. So select architecture and then click on component drop down and then model in place, and then here choose generic model, press OK and then press OK, and then here we're gonna select extrusion, pick a plane. We're gonna choose this plane right here in front, and we're going to change this material right here. I'm going to go to clad white, and then I'm going to duplicate this again, press OK, and we can actually go to clad 2 because that's the material that we use for this, so that's fine. And then here we're going to add this one right here, even on this side, so that it's just one extrusion. It's the same width and size as well, so that's fine. Around 1500, I think 1200 maybe, and then click finish. Go to 3D, and then we can click finish again. So that will be the look that we have on that. We just need to go to level 2 and then add this one, a curtain wall. That curtain wall would be the railing, and we just need to lower it down. So negative 2000 would be good enough. Negative 2000 offset. So that's good right there. As you can see, it looks nice. We're gonna do the same thing at the back right here, but here we're gonna change it up a bit. We need to go to our north elevation, move this one a little bit on the side. We don't need it yet. And then let's go back right here, model in place, generic model, and then here we're going to do an extrusion again. Pick a plane, select this plane right here, and then we're gonna choose clad white 2. We're going to put it right here like that, and also on this side, and then covering all of this. So it's gonna be an extension on that 525 so that it's consistent, 525 right here as well. And then we're going to just add this rectangle like that, and then extend this. So actually we could just, let's leave it like that, delete this, part right here. We could trim this all the way right there, and then we could trim this all the way right here, trim this like this, and join them. And then we just need to close this off. There we go. Click finish. Let's look at it at 3D. Finish again. So something different, right? We can even add some grass here and then some small plants. That's something that we could change a bit. This is also the covering for this one because I'm planning to add a pool here, a swimming pool outside, so that we have something on this side. So now I'm going to add, so let's go to level 2. Let's add this part right here onto this side. In terms of adding a door here, it's up to you if you want to add a door similar to this. But what I'm planning to do is just leave it like this. Of course, it's up to you to decide. If we add the same door, it will have this notch there. It's not visible enough or too much to be crazy, but yeah, something, because I just want the look, the cleanliness of the look here. But seeing it right now, I think that's good enough. It's not overpowering for having that handle there, so I'm good. So just leave it like that, and then just change the orientation of the door. You can only do that on the plan. Okay, so now that looks good, having that and having those stuff right there as well. So the only thing we need to do is just adding the lights on top of this so that we have enough, so we could put those lights there. We can delete this now. This is just for our reference, so that we can see how everything looks if there's car there. So that's good enough. I'm planning to delete this right here. I'm only going to extend up to here, but on this side I'm gonna leave it like that. Why? Because I want it to be on a uphill, so this area would be inaccessible, but only on this side will be accessible, because we'll be having a ramp going down, and this will still be a carport, and then going inside there would be this part only. So I'm going to edit the boundary now on this side, and just pulling this one something like this right here. That's good enough. And then here, this will be floor number 4. I think this will be the grass part. Of course, we're going to change that because we're going to put, so I'm going to edit this level 1, and then this will be pulled back. Let's pull this one back. I'm going to put at least 5,500 going back, so that we could just pull this one back like that. AL, you can align it up to here, and then we're going to place a different one there. I'm going to close this off right here. I'm planning on closing it off up to here. So I'm going to go back right here and then edit this, or I'm just going to place this one back. Align it first, AL, align it onto this wall, and then close it off. Edit this, pull it back until here. That's good enough. Just cleaning it up and then editing this part. Of course, this editing part right here will be changed. We're going to make it an uphill. So I'm just giving you an idea on how to do this. And then we're going to have another floor right here. CS on that floor, edit, duplicate floor number 6, edit 200 thickness, and then this will be a different floor. Let's put in a concrete floor for now, something that we haven't used yet. And then here we could just add something like that. I'm gonna create the opening now for the pool. I'm thinking of having this pool right here on this side, and then I'm going to add a deck. So we're gonna have a deck. Click finish, and then that's the opening already. We're going to have a deck right here, and then actually we need to go to south elevation and edit or add another level. So we're gonna go to architecture, click on level, and then this will be our ground. So we could change this -1000. You can add an elbow so that everything will be visible. So that's extra 1000. We might put it up to -600 only, because we need just some steps here going down, and then we're going to make it an incline right here. And then we're gonna fill this up later on. Actually, we should delete this now, because I'm planning to delete this now so that we could incline this. And then here I'm gonna put this one to ground. There we go. So that's our ground now. This will be ground as well. Okay, extend this up to, of course, ground, and then all of this exterior wall right here up to ground as well. This one ground, and then just double check. That will be ground, and then we need to fix this now. Something happened. We need to fix. So, like I said earlier, we need to fix it by undoing those, and then we could change it up later on. let's for some reason it's not letting us do or fill this up. There we go. And then trim and extend. Trim and extend. AL, align it. So if ever you're aligning it, it's not going in properly. So sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do and just leave it close enough. And join them. Let's try this again. Align this. There we go. It got fixed. So just do what I did. Just undo them, fix those ones out, and then it will align afterwards. And then here we just need to fix the floor, or else it's going to keep on blinking once we're in Twinmotion. So you just need to pull it back so that they are going inner of the wall. It's a quick fix, so nothing to worry about. And then here we could delete this. We don't need this wall right here, that door right there, but I want to have this one right here. It will look nice, especially we have the stairs right here. It will completely look different. So let's go to modify, cut, and then delete that. We can extend it all the way right there. Go to 3D. So whatever's the floor, and then the height here, pull it up all the way. Negative 200. Then there we go. And then just having that one there, we could make it look nicer by editing this and checking mid support, run, go right here, undo the dots, and then uncheck riser, I believe, and then slanted. And then there you go. It looks much better having that. And then just delete this wall now. You can keep the wall if you want to, just for the fridge, just to cover that up. But we have a casing already for that, so we could just delete this part and showcase how nice is this. There we go. We could just cover this up, or we could put it somewhere else, like maybe add it on this part right here. Because the dining area can be moved right here, and then the pantry with the equipment can be stick on this side. RO. There we go. Dining area can be extended. And then just move everything else. And then just put the dining area right here. And then we could delete this part. Even we could just move this one just like that. So whatever. And then just push it to the wall. MV, move it to the corner right there. Okay, so now everything is fixed. And then just put it to the same part right there. There we go. Now we have something like this that is looking really good. We just need to have the curtain grid. I'm gonna make it even. Actually, there's more here, so I'm going to add 3 of a total of 6. And then just add mullion, and then there you go. Although this one got close up, we can then just edit this and make it something like that. It's still looking good, so you can pull it up if you want to. And then just place it above that, and then just extend this a little bit, and you have your kitchen right there. You can even extend the pantry if you want to, but for now that looks good. Extend the pantry all the way right here. We need to pull this one out so that it's covered there. But that's something that you should do. And we're good with the kitchen. We could just add this one right there, trim it, and then we have the kitchen all the way there, and then dining area and everything. It still looks good. It doesn't look like it's cramped, so I'm not worried about that. Although we could basically change the orientation of this kitchen. So instead of right there, we should rotate it as well. So RO, rotate it like this, and just place it in the middle. So now it's still accessible, the triangle in the kitchen. There we go. So now it's completely different look, but as you can see, we have this view right there, and I believe it's more clear and there's more natural sun to go there. So let's stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.